Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Thompson. Now, in today's video, we shall be reviewing this products, okay, this program that is coming from Genesis. Now, you know, Genesis is one of the trusted developer that we'll have in this mining space. They've been there for quite some time, churn out few of products that are very trusted running. So today I'll be reviewing this a particular product that will be coming up. The name of the product is actually called Genesis BNB Yield Farm, right? Genesis BNB Yield Farm. Now, this is a program that is about to launch in 3 days' time. As you can see here, in 3 days, 4 hours, 38 minutes, this product will be launching, which is on the 4th of August, 2022, right? Thursday, 4th August, 2022, 7 p.m. UTC, this particular program will be launching. Now, the good thing about Genesis company is that each program they actually launch do well in the market. So that is the reason why I like reviewing their products and showing you the opportunity that is very available in each of their programs. Now, they had a program earlier before this, which was BUSD. Let me even show you that program that they had before. This is it, the BUSD version. Remember, this one I'm reviewing is called Genesis BNB Yield Farm. So they had an earlier version, which is the BUSD. Let's go to the BUSD so you get to see it. This is the BNB Farm. As you can see here, this is the product of Genesis. Okay, this one is running already. You can see this one successfully launched July 14th. Okay, so you can see this one is 3.5% daily. Okay, this is the BUSD, and if you go to their smart contract on a Binance chain, okay, you see that presently that particular contract has over $57,000, okay, and you can see people are actually withdrawing, okay, making deposit and withdrawing. That goes to tell you that the program is running presently, okay. So let's come to this particular one that we are reviewing presently now. This is the second version, and this one is for BNB, okay. Now for this BNB, you are expected to earn 1.5 percent daily on this particular one, okay, because the way they actually make their program, they want to make it in such a way that it will last, not like giving you a very high return on investment like 20%, 15%, 8%, 10%, and at the end of the day, before long the program will close up. No, Genesis does not involve themselves in that kind of a program. Their program are always sustainable. That is why you can see this particular one for this BNB is going to be here for a very long time. Okay, it's sustainable. That's why you see sustainable BNB yield farm with fixed daily yield of 1.5%. So now this does not have a duration. Provided there's money in the TVL in the contract, you can keep earning this 1.5% for as long as the contract is liquid, okay? Then that is for regular deposit. And for if you want to make more money, if you keep compounding, the compounding you get 2.75% for the compounding, right? So that actually earns you additional more money. Instead of you just taking this 1.5, you take 2.5%, 2.75%, okay, when you compound, okay. So, and the beauty of it is that most of their products, in short, all of their products are being audited, okay. You see, this particular one is audited by Judge Stamp. Now, Judge Stamp is, in short, is one of the trusted, if not the most trusted auditing firm in this mining business. Okay, they are very, very trusted when it comes to scoring contracts, getting to do analysis about contract. Judge Stamp is one of the best. Okay, you can see the overall score on this particular contract is 85. Okay, you can see if you watch here, the higher the score, the better it is for the contract. Okay, you can see backdoor is 100%, which means that there's nothing like backdoor. This contract cannot be rug pull. When you look at the ownership privileges is 100%, which means if the owner launch this program, okay, as soon as he launches this program, he lost the complete privilege of this program, which means that this program is immutable. The owner cannot go and begin to change things behind. No, it will not work, okay? Let's read. It's very, very important we pay attention to the audit of the contract, okay? So I want us to read this together, okay? Let's read this summary. This is the summary of the whole audit of this particular contract of Genesis BNB Farm, okay? It says this smart contract has been reviewed by Judge Stamp and found no backdoor code, and the owner has no privileges to make modification to the contract apart from starting the contract, okay? There is no malicious code that allow the owner or other to withdraw all funds from the smart contract. This is very beautiful, okay? You can hear the summary that Judge Stamp is giving us about this particular contract from Genesis BNB Farm. Now, this is not a financial advice, but I want to believe that this contract is properly audited, okay? If you come down here, when you look at backdoor, you see there are no backdoor method that withdraw funds to non-investor wallets. This is very beautiful. Then you look at ownership, it said there is no a lot that the owner is able to do. Wow, that is good. And for the fees, there are slightly higher than usual, okay? Deposits, which I believe is not even much. When you're depositing, you get 6% fee, withdrawal 6% fee, and it's very, very good. When you look at the complexity, you see this code is a fork of an existing project and combines a yield farm with a downline seed payment system. A new code addition of the referral contest had been added. Wow, the code is not very complex. You see, the site is like, you can actually see the site truly. The site is not a complex site. It's a very easy to navigate and understand site. So what we'll do in essence is this: you just need to come up here and you connect your wallet, okay? You connect your MetaMask wallet to the website, okay? Then you come down here where it says deposit, right? You put the amount of BNB you want to deposit here, okay? Let's assume I want to deposit 0.02 here. I'll put it here, then I'll click on deposit, okay? But presently I cannot deposit because the site is not running yet, so I cannot really deposit as it is presently, okay? So let me show you something else, okay? You see this compound. This compound is one of the beauty of this particular project because you can afford to, aside the normal daily yield is 1.5, but you can decide to up your income daily to 2.7% when you compound your yield, your interest, okay? What this actually means is that after you must have accumulated some interest, okay, from your total deposit, instead of you taking it out on the basis of 1.5% daily, you can decide to compound that interest that you've yielded, okay? Then you begin to earn 2.75% daily on the compound, okay? So here now you get to see your current yield. You see the total amount that you've yielded, okay? The total interest that you've yielded, okay? Then you can now see total available balance, inclusive yield. Then you can decide to, if you want to withdraw, you withdraw here. And if you want to compound again, you click on compound and you compound your money, and you keep making more money. Then here, down here, you get to see the total amount of BNB that you must have withdrawn from this particular website, okay? This is the beauty of this particular website. Then you can also make more money from referral, okay? Having said that, I'm going to leave a link to this particular website just right below this video so that you yourself, you're able to click on that link and you can come onto this website here and you get to see things for yourself. Go through the audit by yourself, okay? Read the contract, join their Telegram group, join their Discord, join their Twitter. Then you also get to understand things by yourself. And also, you can also read their white paper. If you come up here now, you get to see the white paper. This is the white paper, okay? But you need to click the link just right below this video so that you'll be able to gain access to this white paper. You can come here and you read the white paper, read everything about the white paper to give you more insight about what you're about to involve yourself in, okay? And one other good thing about this particular project is that there's something also called seed yield, okay? Which means that you can actually make more money from the people that you refer to this program. The more money they make, okay, their daily yield that they make, you can actually make up to 3% of their daily yield. So aside your daily interest on your deposit, you can actually make money from the referral, okay? You can make money from the referral up to like, you see, this is up to like 10 10 generation, and also you can make money from seed yield from your the people you refer to this program. Okay, so it's a very beautiful one. I would advise you to just click the link below this video so that when you get to this website, you get to see things for yourself, read through everything so that you not be misled. Okay, and also I want you to remember that the program will actually be launching just in 3 days from now on the 4th of August. On the 4th of August, which is about 3 days, 4 hours, and 28 minutes from this time of recording this particular video. Okay, so do yourself well by clicking the link below the video so that you get to this particular channel. I want to believe you got value from this video. Okay, give the video a thumbs up, and also I want you to subscribe to this channel so that when I drop other valuable reviews about program and project like this, you get to be the first to see them. Okay, I want to appreciate you for taking your time to watch this video. Take care of yourself for now, and bye-bye.